Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I'm doing a really pretty and simple orange slice garland. I'm sure you've seen these online. I wanted to show you how I'm doing mine, how simple it is. It's like time consuming but not labor intensive. So to start, I just sliced up 2 oranges. It's just 2 oranges here, but it's gonna make plenty. And it's about 1/2 inch thick. This isn't an exact science. I put it on this baking sheet, but I lined the sheet with tin foil because this is gonna get really sticky and messy. I'm gonna put these in a 250-degree oven for about 2 hours. Halfway through, I'm probably gonna flip them over just to make sure they get the same color. All right, so here's what they look like after about 2.5 hours. They're just kind of golden and really like caramelized maybe. They're really pretty. The house smells amazing. And now I've got a bunch of rosemary here and I'm going to just tie this up on some baker's twine that I have. I'm not gonna like loop it onto the twine. I'm gonna put a string on each individual slice and then tie that string to a longer string to make a garland because I don't want them to slide all over the place. So I'm gonna do like a slice of orange and then like a rosemary sprig. You'll see what I mean. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and it gave you some inspiration. You can do this with stuff you probably already have at home. There's not many days left until Christmas, so it's fun to do little projects like this on a whim, just using what you have. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and hit the red subscribe button to follow along with me as I close out Vlogmas. I've still got a number of videos to go. A new video every single day in December leading up to Christmas. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.